Healing prayer. Let that which is of the Spirit bring healing to the body, peace to the mind, and awakening to the soul. Father of light, source of all that is whole, I open myself now to the healing forces that flow from you, forces that restore, renew, and bring all things into divine order. For in him we live and move and have our being. Acts 17:28. Let thy spirit move through me. Let thy vibrations bring balance to every cell, ease to every burdened thought, and light to every place shadowed by fear. But for you who revere my name, the Sun of Righteousness will rise with healing in its rays. Malachi 4:2. As I attune my heart to your purpose, may thy will manifest through me as strength, vitality, and peace. I do not ask for healing apart from you, but as a return to the harmony you intended when you created me. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Psalm 23:3. Cleanse me body, mind, and spirit. Align my desires with truth. Let every breath draw me closer to thy healing presence. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Psalm 51:10. May this affliction be transformed into awakening, this discomfort into deepened trust, and this trial into a testimony of grace. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him. Romans 8:28. In the silence I listen for thy guidance. In stillness I receive thy light. In faith I accept thy healing. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Not my will, but thine, O Lord, be done in me, through me, and for thy glory. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Matthew 6:10. Amen.